Okay, I'm here off the Bridger Ridge near the top of the ramp. We've got an avalanche warning out because we had about 3 inches of snow water equivalent, 3 to 4, almost 4 inches, which is equivalent to 3 to 4 feet of snow. We've got a lot of new snow here because we're near the ridge. It's been wind blown, has a little meat to it. Didn't get anything to go on the stability test, but my God, like 4 feet of snow in a little over 48 hours, that's a huge load, especially, you know, it being close to 4 inches of snow water. Even though it didn't go in the stability test, certainly prying, there's a pretty clean shear where the interface is, so I'm definitely letting the slopes kind of chill out a little bit for the next day before I want to start getting on anything steep, just because we added such an enormous load relatively quickly and the winds have been blowing.